So now in this section we're going to see character single row function. Okay, so under the single row function, in before slide we have seen, right, we have a 6 different type. So we're going to see character, the first type, character function here. So first I'm just using the same table for to study this single row function. Select star from employees. Now here see, select first name, upper of first name. Here I have used upper. So what I am doing here is, upper is one of the function in Oracle is used to convert our arguments, whatever we have given here. We can give any column or we can give any string here. So it will convert the input into the uppercase. Okay, and then similar thing for the lower also. So in lower it will convert the entire input into the lower case. This one is called as a arguments. How many arguments we have inside this function? Here the first underscore name is nothing but the arguments. The first underscore name is also called as an arguments, or is also called as a parameter, because that is the input are for my upper function, right? So that's why I called is a input parameter or arguments. Okay, both are same. In a single row function we have upper function which is used to convert our input into the uppercase, and lower function which is used to convert our input into the lower case. And INITCAP means it will convert the beginning of each letter into uppercase. So INITCAP is nothing but it will convert your input convert each word first letter alone in uppercase. Okay, that's the meaning of this INITCAP. Now here what I'm doing here is I'm just fetching the first name from my employee table, and I'm just giving upper of first name comma salary, upper of first name and lower of first name, and INITCAP of first name from employees. Now I'm going to execute this query and see the result. So this is my original column name. Okay, and these are the outputs which I designed by myself by using this Oracle inbuilt function. So here this is my original column, right? LN. See here upper of first name, I have convert all my name into convert all my first name into capital letter, and here the entire word is coming in the lower letter. And in INITCAP of first name, the first letter alone is coming in capital letter. Okay, so INITCAP function is nothing but the first letter of the word alone will come in capital letter. If I have two different words means, then the second word beginning letter alone will come in capital letter. Okay, so this is the meaning of this upper, lower and INITCAP function. Now the next function is a CONCAT. CONCAT function is nothing but it is used to combine our strings. Okay, so we have a two different concatenation operator. See the first one, select concat Oracle. This is my first argument. Okay, as I said earlier, the inputs to my inbuilt functions is called as arguments or parameters. Okay, so Oracle is my first argument and programming is my second argument. So here see, I'm just going to execute the query. So what Oracle is doing is it's just combining the two string and give the result like this, Oracle programming. So in order to read properly, you can give some space, which is either here or here. You can give any of these two places. Okay, just giving a space here. So please remember, whenever you give some space, expecting some space between the character means in this concat function you can also give like this. Okay, now which is in readable format, Oracle programming. Okay, always give the space after that single quote. Don't give the space before that single quote, because Oracle won't take if you give any space before that single quote means. Okay. So here see, I just pass a two argument, and by using this concat function, Oracle is combining these two word and showing in one word, right? But see here that I'm using the same function, but I passing three argument. Actually, Oracle will not execute if I pass like this. Why means because concat function always support only two arguments. Okay. But anyway, I'm going to execute this error scenario also. See the error message, invalid number of the arguments is coming. Okay. So what does it mean is concat function always support only two argument. This query won't execute because concat always supports two arguments. Okay. But maybe I'm in the need. I need to combine more than two strings or more than two different words. Okay, more than two sentences means what can I do? I can't able to perform my need by using this concat function, right? So in this case, I can move on to next operator is called a pipeline operator. This is also used for the concatenation, but by using this operator, you can able to merge so many strings and show your result as in one word. Okay. See here, select Oracle programming language. What I did here is I'm combining these three words, okay, into one sentence. Oracle programming language. So here see, after Oracle I given some space. Yes, by using this you can give some space. Okay, within a single quote put your input. Okay, then you need some space means they use this concatenation symbol, I mean pipeline operator, then put two single quote here, and once again you need to use a concatenation operator. So you have to follow the syntax like this. Okay, suppose here see Oracle programming language, in between the programming language I need some space means either you can give it here, okay, or else you can give space after this. Here I am going to give the space here. This is a way of giving the space for proper reading of our input. Otherwise you can follow this syntax, you can follow any of this. Okay, so now I am going to execute the query. Now my output is becoming perfect. Oracle programming language. Whenever you do some concatenation, please give the proper input, please give the proper output. Okay, next function is length. By the name itself you can understand, okay, what this function mean. So length function is nothing but it going to give the length of your input. Here see, select first name, length of first name from employees. I am executing the query here. Length, it will show the length of this particular name. So ln containing 5 letters, right? So that's why it is showing a 5. And Sundar, it's containing 6 letters, that's why it's showing as a 6. So length function is nothing but it will return the number of the characters. Okay, including spaces. Please keep this as an important point, keep that in mind. It will include the space also, Oracle will count the spaces also. Okay, but here there was no spaces there, that's why it is showing the exact letter count. Okay, in the next class we're going to see INSTR and substr function. Okay, I hope today you have learned this concat function and length function and upper, lower and INITCAP and all. Please revise all those things, okay, and do some exercises which I given below this video. So in the next lesson we're going to see INSTR and substr function.